Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Techy Suraz. In this video, I'm gonna provide you some tips and tricks regarding to the creation of MOVO account. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, what is MOVO? MOVO is a digital wallet that is capable of sending and receiving money online. It consists of digital bank and virtual Visa card inside the wallet. Since it is totally controlled by mobile phone, so it is very convenient to use. So, how to create a MOVO account? It's quite hard to create a MOVO account if you are residing outside of the United States. It is only given to the people of United States and it is approved for the people of United States. If you have a valid set of details of a person in USA such as name, address, date of birth, phone number, and a most important thing, valid social security number, then you can get your account approved. If you don't have a valid social security number, no matter how much you try creating your account, you cannot succeed because it requires a valid social security number. In this video, I'm not gonna show how to create this account, but if you are interested in buying this account or PayPal account, then you can contact me. I have given the details in the description. You can choose any of my contact details. This is not the end. If I have change of heart, then I will be making this complete tutorial to make a MOVO account, activate its card. So if you want to watch that video, please subscribe my channel. Till then, stay safe. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to my channel.